Hi everyone, it's Maggie,
And Zaria.
back with another Pride 101.
Today we're going to talk about laundry.
When washing your clothes, take your clothes, come to the washer, throw them inside, add your detergent or Tide Pod, close the lid, and put the settings on whatever your heart desires. One of the perks of being at Widener is you do not have to pay to use the washer.
That's it. Make sure you set an alarm to switch your laundry and be considerate of others because they also want to do your laundry too.
Once your timer goes off, take your clothes out of the washer, head over to one of the dryers, throw your clothes in the dryer along with the dryer sheet. Close the door, select the temp, and press start.
Safety tip, make sure you take your lint out of the dryer when it's done drying. You don't want to start a fire.
All of our residence halls are equipped with laundry facilities for all of you guys to use.
Make sure you use your resources. We hope you found this helpful.
Go Pride!